Hey guys, today we are gonna write a program, Java program, to display the Fibonacci series. First of all, let's define the definition of the Fibonacci series. Fibonacci, let's make a comment first. Fibonacci series, is a series where the next term is the sum of previous two numbers. The first, let's make a second row. Let's put this into the second row. Here we go. The first two terms, of the Fibonacci sequence is followed by 1, right? Let's say, let's write the first 10 numbers of Fibonacci's, all right? Fibonacci for the first 10 numbers of Fibonacci. We're gonna start 1 and then 1 and then as we said, like previous two numbers, when we add them together, it's gonna make 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3, and 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. 8 plus 13 is 21. 21 plus 34, right, 13 plus 21 is 34, and then 21 plus 34 is 55. Right, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's good, perfect. Let's move on to the actual code, These are our Fibonacci numbers. We can push them right here, right? Here we go. Okay, there we go. Let's push them over here. And here, as we see, the first number is we are gonna call as A, all right? And then the second one we're gonna call as B, and the third one we're gonna call the number is C. Let's comment this out too, right? As we move, like as we said, like the first 1 and 2 numbers, previous like 2 numbers will give us the next number. Then we add A and plus A and B here. Here is gonna be the A, right? And then here we're gonna move to here is gonna give us B, and then here number 3 is gonna give us C. And when we move to the next line, there we go. When we move to the next line, as we keep moving, so 1 plus 2 is gonna give us A, and then next one is gonna be B. Our next number is gonna be B, and then A plus B is gonna give same idea, is gonna give us C, right? Let's define this one first over here. We are gonna call integer, and integer A we are gonna initialize, we declare, and we initialize A is 1, and then here integer B is equals as we've seen on here, B is going to be 1 as well. And when we move on to the next one, so as we seen, like A is 1, B is 1, then C is going to give us A plus B, right? So we are going to just write here integer C. We're going to just declare over here for the C. And then we are going to move to, let's print out. In order to, print these 10 numbers of Fibonacci, we are going to start with the, first of all, we are going to print the A, because we want to print A, and then print B. And then as we see, like two previous number gives us next number, right? Let's say 2 plus 3 gives us 5. 5 plus 8 gives us next number, which is 13. 13 plus 21, which gives us 34, next number, right? 21 plus 34 gives us 55, right? We need to, these first two, these first two numbers, which are 1, 1, we're gonna print this are separately, then we're gonna print this with the for loop. Let's start. First of all, we're gonna write sys_o, 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 right? There you go. We're gonna print A, and then we need to print sys_o, comment space, control space. We're gonna print B, and then we're gonna write the for loop. Let's start the for loop, and integer. We are gonna start with integer I equals 0. We start with 0, and then we are gonna go all through until 10, right? We are gonna print first 10 numbers, right? And then the incrementation is we're gonna go one by one. It's gonna increment, right? Here we go. Then here, as we describe C, as we see, C gives us A plus 1, right? In the second one, in the first one, always like gives us previous two numbers. When we add it, gives us C. Let's write the C. C equals A plus 1, and then A is gonna be lowercase. Oh, sorry. A plus B, and then next one, as we declare here, we just type C equals A plus B, and here A equals B, as we see right over here, which is A and B, both are 1, right? And then we have B equals C, right? B equals C. Then here we are gonna start. Here we go. This in the for loop. First of all, we write A. We're gonna print A. We're gonna print B, which is A is 1, and then B is 1, right? And here, from here to here, we are gonna print C. All right. Let's put C here, and then let's run it. Run as Java application. Here you go. If you want, we can, instead of like, going this way, we can make it print, just only print. Instead of like print line, we can type print, and then we can put the space right here between the numbers. So with the quotation mark. There we go. Let's try it this way. Perfect. But we need to put, yes, we need to put for, let's make A and B, all together. Print A plus space with the quotation mark, and then same things plus, and then quotation mark with the space. There we go. Let's try this way now. Oh, we need to take this. Here you go. This way. Awesome. So we have from 1 to 144, we're supposed to have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These two is extra, and we can take this or we can just skip it. We have here all these all these Fibonacci numbers from 1 to 144. As you see, first it starts with 1, we have A and B is 1, and then 1 plus 1 gives us 2, 2 plus 2 gives us 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 13 gives us 21, and keeps going until 140. That's it. I hope you like it. Thank you.